Good morning. Welcome to Friday Wrap Up. We have Sharon,
Good morning.
Carol,
Good morning.
and myself, Kenny. We're joining you this morning in downtown Morehead City at one of our new listings coming available.
Absolutely. We'll talk about that in a minute. But
That's
first of
right.
all, we're going to talk about numbers as we always do. Sharon.
So this week, we have 70 new listings in Carteret County, 103 pending, and 54 closed. So we're still keeping a good pace,
Good.
Lots
Yep,
of activity.
Yep.
Lots of activity in the market for sure.
staying steady.
And I generally give you all the numbers compared to last year. And they're about the same this week as they were last week. And so we're seeing just a steady increase in activity. But one thing that I have been noticing, it seems like everything is just moving really quickly. The desirable properties are not staying on the market very long, and we're getting in multiple offer situations a lot more, I feel like, than we did last year. So I want one number that I have not talked about yet was days on market. And so I pulled that up, and the days on market is considerably lower this year than last year. In fact, with condos, last year, average condos were on the market 180 days, and this year is 104.
That's unbelievable.
That's really, it's amazing. And single family, 107 days last year and 87, so they're down
Wow.
18%. So the inventory is lower, and the things that are appealing properties to people are not sitting there. And Kenny, you've seen that, I'm sure.
Absolutely, which is why we are in multiple offers 90% of the time
It's
here in Carteret
amazing.
County right
It
now.
is crazy.
So
Yes.
if you're interested in buying a property, you're gonna have a little more urgency than you've been having if you want to get the property and secure it.
Absolutely.
And you're gonna have to act quick. I mean,
And
have
you're
to
gonna
get
have
in
to,
there.
and you're gonna also have to step up to the plate with
With
the
price.
numbers, because the prices are going above asking generally.
Yeah.
In fact, there was one in this neighborhood that was listed at 300 and it sold for 350 in a matter of 3 days.
which
That's,
I mean,
yeah, so
it,
that,
it goes hand to hand with days on market right now.
absolutely.
Inventory's low, and people are buying.
Yeah,
Well.
so we say get down here this week. This week is Big Rock, and they're having the tournament. They might not be having the parties. And I'm wearing my Big Rock shirt just to the Kelly
Support.
Wagner, and Sharon is actually fishing in it.
Yeah, Sunday we'll be on Psyched Out. So
Exciting. Sunday
please follow us.
Yes.
weather
So-
looks great on Sunday,
It
so
does. Yeah.
moving out.
That's right, and we've got some open houses this week on Evans Street that we want to tell you about.
We have one at 2906 Evans Street and the other at 3000 Evans Street
Yes.
from 9 a.m. to 12, so you can take a look at those and still enjoy the rest of your day.
Yes, and they're two great houses. Both of them have very nice water views, and they're very different houses. One's more contemporary, and one's definitely a traditional.
And we'll take all the proper protocol for COVID. We'll have face masks, hand sanitizer outside. If you wish to wear
Yes.
one inside, you're more than welcome to. And we just hope to see you at our open houses.
Absolutely, and we're sitting here now at one of our new listings that's going to come on today. This address is 1211 Shepard, and it's a great 4-bedroom house that's been renovated and remodeled, and it's in super shape. They've
Phenomenal shape.
they just painted the whole inside, and it's ready to go, and you can walk downtown and watch the fish weigh in.
That's right.
Yes,
Well,
sir. We hope to see you soon.
Thanks.
Thanks.
And have a great weekend.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.